Hey guys, look, I finally got my tub. I'm so excited. Bad news is though, it's still in the garage, but construction starts next week. Okay guys, this is the project and it starts right here. And that is going to be, we're replacing that door with a pocket door that is beautiful. It has like five frosted panes in it. And then all this lovely, check out how gorgeous that is, is going to be replaced. And that's going to be replaced with a hardwood and then a beautiful new vanity and getting rid of all that. Over here is going to be where that big massive tub goes. And this is kind of an interesting little nook right here. This is the toilet, and we're actually going to wall it off here, flip the toilet around, and the commode room is going to be this storage area right here. So we're going to blow out this wall, and that will be the commode. Now right here, you wouldn't know it, but right here behind this wall is kind of a wasted space. And in that wasted space, we're going to absorb that into this room and build a little shelving unit there to kind of take the place of what we lost. So all this starts tomorrow. How exciting.